What if someone put a gun to your mom's head and asks you to make $10,000 in a month? What kind of business will come to your mind? What kind of business would you think you can start? Is it Amazon FBA? Is it drop shipping? What kind of business? Are you going to think of cleaning business? What if you have kids and it's not easy for you to leave them behind, especially when they are toddlers? What kind of business do you think you can start? As for me, I'm going to start a cleaning business. As for me, I'm going to run straight to Home Depot, buy me a brush and a mop stick, come back, go around the neighborhood, knocking on all doors, asking them for a cleaning contract. Of course, you can imagine getting a job is not going to be an option at all. And what kind of job are you going to get that will pay you $10,000 a month? Hey guys, my name is Georgette Okeke. I'm your girl coming to you all the way from Chicago. Let's make this a start your business challenge. Please join me and let's make this a start your 10K a month business challenge. Please drop your comment on the comment section. Let's learn, no matter where no matter where you're viewing from. Let's hear your ideas. Let's teach ourselves on how to start a 10K per month business. About 17 years ago, I found myself in a similar situation. But the kind of business I was able to start was buying and selling business. But in this era, I think things has changed. The social media has evolved. The YouTube, the LinkedIn, the Instagram, they are all platforms where we can easily transact businesses. So guys, I want us to teach ourselves. Drop your comment. Tell us what you think can work faster in this era, and let's learn from you. Thank you. Bye.